Back on the water feature. I got all the parts bought. Some barrel hinges. This is going to be my door. And these hinges will weld and the whole thing will pivot out. I got the pump. I got the pipe. I'll get the plasma out and get the hinges welded on. Alright, I just cut the one section there. I'm gonna get the hinges welded on first, and then I won't even have to take that piece out. It'll just be hanging from the hinges once I cut it free. Now I just gotta finish cutting the door and put a little handle on it. Then next we'll get the pipe set in. I'm gonna cut this with a Sawzall just so I can fit it in my shop. My shop's an absolute wreck. I'm working on the next video, which is gonna be Derby August 23rd. So building a car for that, and I'm limited on room. So I'm gonna get that pipe all cut so I can get it in here on my saw and get nice straight cuts so I can re-weld it back together. Okay, that's how it'll be fit up, and I don't know why, but this pipe has this little flange on there. But it's gonna work perfect because it'll set on top. Alright, I got the pipe welded up with a hose fitting on the bottom. Put a cap and that nipple, so I'm going to set it up top. And before it gets dark, I want to hurry and see what it looks like. So I'm not going to weld it up top. I'm just going to get it set in the hole, get the pump hooked up, see how it works. Cut a little return in here. Got the pipe welded up top. And I'm gonna call it a night, but in the morning I'll get it plumbed up with water and show you how it pumps. I'm excited to see it. Today, all I gotta do is, I need to build a lip for this. And I need to build that lip so the water doesn't trail down the side of the pan. It kind of runs down the face and underneath. So I need the spillway to kind of come off the pan. Like that. All right, I'm gonna move this to a good spot that looks decent, not my shop that's all exploded right now. So I'm gonna move it to my parents' backyard. They have a really nice yard, just to see what it looked like with a cool background, and get it set up, leveled, and plugged in, filled up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Still have some things I need to fine tune. I want to put like weld a plate to the bottom of this and make like a shower head looking, so it's like a full pipe of water coming down. And yeah, I want to put some river rock in this bottom tray. But for right now, I'm calling it good. I got tons of other things I need to do. Handrails, I got to get this derby car going, and just a lot of stuff. So I got it as far as I wanted to where now I don't have a half project sitting around. Now it's 3/4. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, it really helps.